How to use ChatGPT in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be discussing about a revolutionary AI that has finally come to the mobile devices, okay? And we're going to be discussing how you're going to use it on those devices. So, let's get into it without further ado. So, obviously, you're going to go ahead and write ChatGPT mobile, okay? And here you can see on the OpenAI's main website, introducing ChatGPT app for iOS, okay? Introducing ChatGPT app for iOS. The ChatGPT app syncs your conversations, supports voice input, and brings our latest model improvements to your fingertips. Now, right now, currently, it's only available on the Apple and iOS devices like iPad or something like that. You cannot download it on Android yet. And also on the iOS, it's like I think iOS 15 and after, it's not like any model lower than that, you will not be able to download it. So yeah, do make sure to have an at least an iPhone X or above that. If you have any model under that, then I don't think you will be able to download this. But yeah, moving on. It's absolutely great, absolutely revolutionary. The things you can do on your mobile device using ChatGPT, you cannot do that on your laptop. So trust me, this is gonna work wonders for you, and I recommend you do it right now. Just go to your app store. You're gonna just be redirected to the main app store. And the ChatGPT app, it's going to be pretty basic. It's going to be called ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's going to have this logo and it's going to look like this. It's totally free, so just go ahead and download it. And as you can see on iPhone and iPad, it's for the higher rated versions. So yeah, just go ahead with it. It's already gotten 10,000 reviews and 4.4 out of 5 overall rating. Really good stuff. Yeah, so it requires iOS 16 or higher. So yeah, pretty basic, pretty great stuff. So yeah, that's how you're going to download it and use it on your mobile. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.